Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite back to school hairstyles. These are perfect for 2021. They're very on trend and you're going to love them, so keep watching. To start off this tutorial, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my hair. As you can see, I have some waves in it. You don't have to curl your hair before you do these hairstyles, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and curl it so it looks amazing, and then I'll show you guys how to do these trendy hairstyles. I'm going to be curling my hair with a Babyliss Pro 1 1/4 inch curling iron. This is one of my favorites. We'll link it down in the description below. It's on our Amazon page. We absolutely love this curling iron. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna start by taking the front like 2 inches of my hair and then lightly curling it. So as you can see, I start at the top, and then as I go down, I will twist and release. So twist and release, and then I will leave the 2 last inches uncurled. So it gives it more of an everyday look. And I'm gonna do that again so you can see a little bit more what I do. Take the hair, I start towards the top, and I'll twist it, and then release, twist, and release. And I'll just do that to the rest of my hair really quick. And you can see as I get towards the back of my hair, I usually start taking bigger sections just so I can curl it really quickly. Usually takes me about 10 minutes or less to curl my whole head. So bigger sections help you get looser curls and do it quicker. Okay, I have my hair all curled, so I'm just going to run my fingers through that and loosen it up. And then we are going to get started with the first style I'm gonna show you guys. You will need some little clear elastics. I just ordered mine off Amazon. I'll link some below for y'all, and they work perfectly. So I'm gonna leave out some hair in the front, and then I'm gonna take about a 2-inch section. And I'm going to start just by putting a clear elastic around it. And then I'm just gonna loosen that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, creating little bubbles all the way down. I did add a little bit on each side for this one just to make my hair thicker. And we're gonna create another little bubble. And then when I pull this one out, I'm only pulling from the bubble part, not the pieces I added in. Because if you pull from the pieces you added in, it can get a little funny looking. And then that is all for the first style. You just have this cute little accent bubble braid, kind of adds some body to your hair, which is really nice, adds some volume, and it's such a cute way to add a fun little detail to your hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this easy back to school hairstyle, and tag us in your photos if you try it. We love seeing your photos. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.